How to fix DNS_probe_finished_no_ internet error on Windows. 1. Clear browser data. 2. Update your network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Try an alternative browser. 4. Change DNS server settings. 5. Add 78DD08F1DFB0 into network address under advanced properties. Like this. 6. Disable your firewall. 7. Flush DNS. Commands include IP protocol configuration / flushes IP protocol configuration / registeredn's IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew netshare winsock reset catalog netshare in IPv4 reset.log. Netshare in IPv6 reset.log. Plan B, IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushes netshare in IP set DNS netshare winsock reset 7. If you're using some VPN, disconnect your Windows from current server, then use a different one. 8. Power cycle your router. 9. Reset Google Chrome.